Hi, this is Manuel Delta Lima 2, Mike Alpha November. Welcome back to another episode telling you about the microSDX. This time, even though I'm not so much into SSB, actually I have probably about 3 locked QSOs in that mode. I'm completely into CW, but however, this rig is about SSB also. It started as SSB modification for QCX. So we need to show you what it can do and what it can't do and what the settings are and what effects the settings have. So I'm going to transmit again into my commercial transceiver here. And just to mention that, in case you want to repeat that, in case you want to do that, make sure you attenuate it down so it won't blow up the receiver of the other rig. I'm doing this by starting with a 40 dB attenuator, which can handle up to 10 watts of power. This will attenuate it down 40 dB, and you can use attenuators after that can handle lower power. In this case, it's 0.5 watts. And in this case, I've adjusted it to 120 dB. So we have 160 dBs in total of attenuation, which are going into the ICOM. All right. Setting is LSB and LSB. Let's look at the other settings. TX drive is at 4. I'm going to show you setting 1, setting 4, and setting 8 and tell you about the difference, and you can listen to the difference. And then I'm going to show you another trick that we can do and what it does. Let's start with the all-route setting of 4. I'm going to start the recording here.
Test. This is Delta Lima 2, Mike Alpha November, microSDX TX drive setting 4.
Okay. Now I'm going to adjust that. I'm going to lower it down to level 1. This is by all means not practical, but it's linear. You will be very silent, but still it's perfect in terms of linearity of your speech.
Test. This is Delta Lima 2, Mike Alpha November, Delta Lima 2, Mike Alpha November, testing microSDX at TX drive level 1.
Now I'm going to raise that to setting 8, which is basically eliminating all the amplitude change information, and all the information is contained in the phase. So this means there's no difference in output power when you whisper or shout. It will be all the same level. Maximum output power. This is probably the perfect setting for pile-up cracking. But be warned, it will not be hi-fi audio, but just to demonstrate that. So TX drive level 8.
This is Delta Lima 2, Mike Alpha November, Delta Lima 2, Mike Alpha November, microSDX testing TX drive at level 8.
Okay. Going to put that back to level 4 because I think this is still the best all-around compromise. And then I'm going to show you the Vox level. Hey, what is he talking about? Why Vox? I do not need Vox. I do not use Vox. Yes, me neither. But Guido used that Vox level in the background to actually he's using that as kind of gating level, if you will. So even though you do not switch on Vox, this Vox level is affecting the cutoff point where the transmission is being switched off when no audio is in. All the previous settings have been done at level 1. Now I'm trying level 4, and we can try to compare that to level 1 TX drive level 4 to before.
Test. Delta Lima 2, Mike Alpha November, Delta Lima 2, Mike Alpha November. Vox level at 4, TX drive also at level 4.
Okay. Again, sorry for, you know, I'm doing unscripted videos here. This is not my native language, and I'm trying to think what I want to tell you, and hopefully it's understandable. So sorry if it's usually it's not as fluid as you would expect it. Sorry.